Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is C'Aira. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're an old subscriber, welcome back. Today's video, I'm going to be packing. It is almost that time for us to get ready to go on our vacation, and so I'm gonna pack today because I have everything mentally, really physically ready for me to pack. So I'm gonna go ahead and get out my traveling bags. I'm gonna go ahead and also get out my suitcases, the jewelry I'm taking, my shoes. By the way, if you're a new subscriber here, welcome to my channel. I do quite a few different things here on this channel. That's why I am Just Being C'Aira. So I do things such as like cooking and baking, crafts, reviews and unboxing, grocery hauls. I'm a teacher, so I do teacher vlogs, and I'm also a mom of two, so I do mom vlogs from time to time. So if you are not already subscribed to my channel, please do so now, and also comment down below, what is your favorite thing to do when packing your vacation bag? All right, so first thing I need to do is go ahead and let me show you guys my beach list that I am packing. This is just something I downloaded off of Google, and I've just been crossing things off if I don't need it. But I also want to go ahead and make sure that I have what I need when packing this bag. And so everything on my list, I might need to add more. I might need to cross off more. I might need to go back and go over it 3 or 4 times. But anyways, yeah. Okay, you guys are probably wondering where I'm going, right? Well, I'm going to Nags Head, North Carolina. All right, y'all, so let's go ahead and pick out some of the shoes that I'm going to bring on my vacation. Let me just show y'all, the sandal game is real. Okay, yeah, so there's just way too many options for me as far as my sandals and flats go. So I just went ahead and just threw out a couple onto the bed, trying to see if that's what I really wanted to wear. And I just was like, I want this one and this one and this one and that one and this one. And I just wanted to really take them all, but I know that I can't. So I just narrowed it down to the ones that I felt like I could use. I definitely need my cheetah water shoes as well as my Jamaica water shoes. And then I also know for a fact that I need just some different shoes that are going to go with my outfits as well as the bathing suits, because I might not, you know, always be ready to go down to the beach. All right, so when looking up here, I honestly feel like I think I'm going to bring these, and then I'll definitely either bring my cheetah clogs or my rainbow ones. That's just like, you know, it's kind of like dry off shoes wise. So yeah. All right, so I need to go ahead and get a couple of accessories out so that I can plan my outfits. I think I'll bring my hat just to have, like I said, a Virginia day if we choose to go out somewhere. But I keep all of like my bracelets in here, and of course keep all my other stuff right here. So I think that I will bring this because like it's Jamaican colors and I bought it from the aquarium. And I also have like this cute shark tooth necklace right here that I could bring. I don't know, I need to go through my closet and find the clothes to go with. All right, so I am using this bag right here that I got for Christmas. It just has my initial on it, and of course you know what time it is with the red and black plaid. So this is what I have in my bag so far. I have all of my cover-ups and bottoms and bathing suits in here. On this side, I have went ahead and packed a couple different outfits. I have a couple more Ziploc bag outfits to go in here. So I think that this is going to be mainly just bathing suits and outfits. My shoes will have to go in a different bag along with my necessities. And then of course jewelry might be able to fit down in here. And yeah. Alright, so I'm going to show you guys the shoes that I picked out to take with me. Now I'm not really sure if I'll end up taking all of these. If I can consolidate some of these shoes into one of my bigger bags, then I won't use this bag right here. But I went ahead and packed some red shoes just because I did pack up like some things that involve red, and then also like a couple of different cheetah pair of shoes, as well as like my Jamaican water shoes and cheetah water shoes, and just an extra pair. I also went ahead and packed some of my coupons and my travel book and my printouts of things that I'll need. So if I ever want to find a place while I'm there, I could easily just look in this travel guide, and this travel guide will go down in this Ziploc bag and go with me. This is my confirmation that I will be going to Nags Head, North Carolina in the Outer Banks. So I just went ahead and got all of my jewelry together because I wanted to find outfits that I could use to basically put jewelry with. I always have to have earrings on. I don't feel right if I don't. So I went ahead and just found a couple different pair of earrings to go with each outfit for while I'm gone, in case I don't like one pair. So I love earrings. They are just one of my fashion statement type of things. I did decide to put them in this little bag right here at first, but then I changed my mind and wanted to go ahead and make sure that the outfits match and that they actually go together. So I gave up putting it in this little bag right here and ended up just basically putting it into the actual Ziploc bags with my belongings, the outfits of the day, that is. Alright, so for this I just have a variety. Either I will do these, or I will do these, or I'll do one in the AM and one in the PM. And if so, I have like a cute little hot pink bracelet that I can wear with it. And as far as the Jamaica colors goes, I do have this little bracelet that I got from the aquarium back when we went to Baltimore in March. So I did pack a raincoat, as well as I'm going to pack 2 books. This is Little Fires Everywhere, which you guys can check out on Hulu. It is the one with Reese Witherspoon and Kerry Washington. And then I also packed Matilda, just something that I can sit out on the beach and read, or be sitting by the pool and read. Alright, so I end up going ahead and packing up the underwear and the socks, because I don't want to forget those. Our hotel room does not have carpet, so I just, like I said, don't want to forget my socks. So I picked up 2 hats that I want to take with me, some glasses. These glasses are from Ariana's Closet. I will link that in my description box down below. Just got those a couple months ago. I also wanted to go ahead and pack some extra earrings. So these are by Kimberly. I will link her YouTube channel down below, as well as her business website. You guys can check her channel out over at Being Kimberly. All right, so let me show you guys what's exactly packed. Somehow I feel like this is not enough room for what I need. Everything cannot fit in here. So I do feel like I'm gonna have to stuff extra things such as pajamas and my necessities for while we're there down into here. And I have my shoes all in here. But in here I just have my outfits, my bathing suits, socks, underwear, books, raincoats. I still need to pack bras, pajamas, toiletries, and things like that. And I also still need to pack my camera equipment up because I have so many cameras and I have so much equipment. I have to wait till the last minute, but it's okay. Alright, so I'm done packing for the day. I literally need to get my room back in order. As long as I know that I have enough bracelets, necklaces, and things like that, I'm good to go ahead and take a break. What I do want to do is go ahead and get the room put back together, and then gather up towels and like all my electronics and toiletries, kind of like closer towards that day. So yeah. All right, so overall guys, I still have a lot to pack. Literally like all of my travel essentials. These are like last minute things that I can add in. My beach gear is already set up and ready in the living room, and then of course my toiletries I'm getting ready to take care of today, now that I've waited to get those together closer towards time. And now I do have some more things at the top, such as my clothes and accessories that I do need to put in. I need to put in my leisure shoes, a beach bag, and then t-shirts, sleepwear, and bras. All right, so this is going to be my electronic bag. This is where I'm going to keep all of my electronics, such as chargers, camera chargers, SD cards, memory cards, my GoPros, my cameras, the chargers to go with that, my movie tickets. I also need the instructions for my newer purple camera because I'm not sure how that goes just yet. I also have some backup devices for backing up my footages, and then I also have a reader that goes into my phone where I can put in the memory card into that, and then I can just post things from there. I also am bringing all of my chargers for my cameras, and I have this little camera right here where I can place it on my body as I'm walking to show you guys like some beach footage and stuff like that. So yeah, I have a lot. I have ring lights to go on my phone. I have camera lights, you name it. I also have like little shutter buttons that Bluetooth to my phone that I can't wait to use to get some really great footage while we're out on vacation at the beach. And this is the bag that I'll be bringing just in case I don't want to bring around a huge purse or just carry anything around with me. So yeah, thanks guys so much for joining me to pack with me. I hope that this brought really great insight on basically how to pack and what to pack, and definitely how to plan your packing. So be sure to give this video a huge thumbs up if you liked it, and be sure that you're subscribed to my channel so that you don't miss out on another video. Bye.